Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite direct commissions programs that allows you to get paid instant payouts, and that program is called $25 One Up. So if you're watching this, you most likely are trying to learn more about $25 One Up. And I'm going to go over how the comp plan works, how we actually get paid. Okay, so I'm going to give all the beans. So you're going to want to stay tuned to this so that you can understand this system. Now, before I jump into the system, this program has paid out over $960,000 in 100% instant commissions to its members. I myself have made over $22,000 with this affiliate system, and this affiliate system showed me how to market and make money on Facebook. So I'm always grateful for that. So let's get right into it. So this is my screenshot from my back office where I made $22,800 with this system. And before I jump into the comp plan, if this is your first time watching, smash that subscribe button if you want to learn more about how to actually make money from home, and also hit the notifications bell so you can get notified of when I release new trainings. All right, so let's talk about this $25 One Up program and how the comp plan works and how you get paid. So the first thing to know is that $25 One Up is a reverse One Up plan. I'm going to talk about that in a second. The main point about $25 One Up is you can start an online business with no monthly fees. Okay, so that's a big selling point, is really understanding that you come into this instant pay program, and you can for a one-time payout or one-time investment, you can literally have a business that can generate you 1,000, 2,000 times, 20,000 times return on investment, because there's no monthly fees. Okay, now we are paid 4 ways with $25 One Up. Direct, meaning we receive member to member 100% commissions, instant payouts direct to us as members. The program receives a small admin fee just so you have access to your website and things like that, but this is member to member. You receive your own payments direct to you. We receive pass-ups. Okay, so for every, I'm going to talk about this in a second, but every second person that every second sale of people who come into this program get passed up, which means that you are growing your income passively and you're getting bonus commissions and not having to do more. Okay, upgrades, people upgrade through this program all the time. I always tell people, come in as best as you can, as fast as you can, but people upgrade all the time, and when they upgrade, that's bonus commissions for you as well. Overrides, I'm going to talk about that in a second, but that's an additional way we get paid. All right, and then I wanted to talk about upgrading by paying a difference. So when you're a diamond, there's some benefits in this comp plan. If you really want to maximize the comp plan, maximize the maximum amount of commissions that you're able to receive, you definitely want to be diamond and above, because you're going to receive more commissions, and I'm going to talk about that in a second. Okay, so other things that you want to know about $25 One Up and how we get paid is this program allows us to get paid instantly, and you can get paid daily. Okay, this is a 100% commission program, and you can receive payment however you like. So if you like Square, if you like PayPal, if you like Venmo, Zelle, Bitcoin, there is no offline payments. There's no limit on how many different payment processors that you can use to receive money direct to you. Okay, so however you like to receive payment, you can use any processors. There's processors built into the system like Zelle, like Bitcoin, like Cash App, like PayPal, like AuthorizeNet, but you can certainly use outside payment processors, as I do in my business. Okay, all right, so let's talk about the levels of participation within the $25 One Up program. So everyone who decides that they want to leverage this work from home system to be able to start making instant payouts, they pay a one-time $10 hosting fee. I was about to say hosting fee. They pay a one-time $10 hosting fee, and that hosting fee is for you to get access to your system. Okay, the levels of participation are as follows. The gold level, which is $25. If you want to position yourself to earn $25 commissions, there it is, the gold level. Platinum, at the platinum level, it's $100, but you also have to purchase gold. So when you want to join platinum, you have to join the platinum level and the gold. So that would be $125 total, okay? And then the $10 hosting fees. Now, when you get to the diamond, enterprise, and elite levels, these are the elite levels within $25 the diamond, enterprise, and elite levels packages allow you to earn more commissions, right? And it allows you, I mean, there's a lot of benefits, but it allows you to earn more commissions. You get more training, which I've been talking about in other videos. You get access to more training. So let's talk about the cost involved with that. Diamond is $250 one time, no monthly fees. You're able to literally get access to an affiliate system for $250, okay? One time, never have to pay that again, okay? And there's a $25 admin fee in addition to the $10 hosting fee, okay? And that's it, okay? Enterprise, $500 one time, $50, and then the $10 hosting fee, okay? So that's it. And then elite, $1,000 one time, starting a business for $1,000, right? You can't do that anywhere. $1,000, $100 admin fee, and then $100 admin fee for that package level, and the $10 hosting fee. Okay, so that is that's what you need to know. Okay, in terms of how much it costs to actually start participating with the $25 1-up system and position yourself to be qualified to be able to receive these commissions. If you look at that screenshot where I made over $22,800 something dollars in commissions, you know, for a one-time, you know, investment, I've made like ridiculous return on investment. And that's why this program is so, to me, is amazing. Reverse pass-up programs are one of the best ways to earn money on the internet, okay? So let's talk about some additional things. The elite levels, which I talked about, are diamond, enterprise, and elite. You're fully qualified on all lower levels. So let's go back a screen. So let me see if it'll let me go back. Hold on. Okay, so right here, let's say that you joined at the elite level, which is the 1K level. You will be qualified at the elite level, the enterprise level, the diamond level, the platinum level, and the gold. So if you joined at enterprise, you would be qualified to receive commissions at the enterprise, diamond, platinum, and gold. Diamond, you are qualified, again, elite levels, to earn commissions at diamond, platinum, and gold. Okay, so basically whatever package you join at, you're able to earn commissions at that level, and also any package levels underneath. Okay, people come into your system and they decide what package they're going to join, but you position yourself to be qualified to earn those commissions. Okay, I hope that makes sense. All right, one thing to note is that if you are an elite member, okay, again, you're fully qualified on all lower levels. So for example, if you are a diamond member, this is just an example, you don't have to pass up any gold or platinum sales. Okay, remember, everyone in the system passes up their second sale to get qualified, okay? But if you're a diamond member, you don't have to pass up any of the lower levels, okay? All right, now, so for example, if you were elite member, which is the 1K level, you're not only qualified to earn 1K commissions, but you don't have to pass up enterprise commissions, diamond commissions, platinum, or gold commissions, okay? And also, these levels are the elite levels of diamond, enterprise, and elite. You're qualified for overrides, which I'm going to talk about in a second. All right, so one thing to note is that this is a reverse 1-up comp plan. And if you don't know, a reverse 1-up comp plan is one of the best ways to make money on the internet. And here's why, okay? Let's say you come in as an elite member, okay? You invest in a business, in a system to be able to help you earn money from home. And it's $1,000 one time, okay? So the next person that you refer, you know, they're going to come and you're going to make $1,000 instantly, okay? When they go out and they refer their second person, you know, that commission is going to come to you. So you got $1,000 for doing nothing, You got 1,000. When I started realizing this, just blew my mind. I was like, why am I getting these extra commissions? That's why. So when you start literally plugging people into the blueprint and they go out and they make their first commission, the second one just comes to you. It's extra leverage. This is true passive commissions, and you didn't do no extra work. So a reverse one-up comp plan is one of the most lucrative pay plans in the direct sales industry. So like, let's say you referred, like 4 people, right? That's $4,000. Okay, not including you're gonna make commissions from every single one of their second sales. I remember my first month that I had a really great month, and I was like, how the heck did this happen? I literally that month only made a handful of sales, but it was all those bonus commissions just stacking. This comp plan is amazing. All right, now here's where we get into overrides. This is an additional way to make income in the program. It's also called roll-ups. Okay, so here's the one thing that I want to say about this part of the comp plan is that positioning is key. This has happened so much where people come into the system and they're like, oh, let me put my toe into the water. I had a gold member come into the system, and I kept telling them, I said, at minimum, you want to be at diamond. I'm not just saying that just to say that. I'm like, at minimum, you want to be at diamond. Why do I say that? Because diamond is one of the most popular package levels in the system. So is enterprise. Okay. So this person came in as a gold member. Okay. Because they wanted to ease they weren't thinking about positioning and thinking like a business. They wanted to ease their foot into the water. Well, guess what? They came in as a gold member. And guess what happened? Someone came into their system, watched their presentation, decided, oh, I like this diamond package right here. And guess what they did? They bought that diamond package that day. Guess what? They were only qualified to receive $25. Guess where the rest of the money came to? Me, because I'm qualified. Right? I made an investment and decided to position myself in this system to be able to earn all the coins. I don't want to lose no coins. Okay? So positioning is important. So that's another way that you can earn commission. So you have to be qualified at the level that you want to earn. Okay? So let's say that you were at the diamond level. Okay? So someone, again, just that scenario that I just told you about, that person on my team who was at the gold level, right, and started promoting this system, because this system converts, right? When you go out and you do the steps and you just let your system do the work behind the scenes, right, then it does convert. So this person went out and they started marketing and using the system and following the training. They went out and, they got their $25. And then the rest of it, the other $225, hello, it came to me. All right. So you don't want to miss any coins. If someone was at the platinum level and someone came in at the diamond level, the other 150 will roll up to you. Okay. All right. If you are at the enterprise level, let's talk about overrides at that package level. So if someone was at gold, and someone came into their system and bought the $500 package, which happens all the time. Told you that this is a popular package level. Someone came in and bought the package, the enterprise package, and they were only at gold. They would get $25, and the other $475 will roll up to the next qualified person. Okay, so this is why positioning is important. If you were an enterprise member and someone came in at platinum, the other $400 will roll up to you. That person would get the $125, and the other $400 will roll up. Diamond, you will get $250. Okay, so you get, I hope you're catching the drift. Is that there's so much leverage built into this work from home system where you can get extra commissions outside of the instant commissions that you get from your own marketing efforts, from your own advertising efforts. Then you can make commissions from just simply being positioned. That's it, really, right? Position and plugging your people into a blueprint, and then you just start getting all these bonus commissions. So that's pretty much it. All right. Elite members is the same thing, in terms of overrides. If someone was at gold, you were at you were an elite member, okay, at the 1K level. If someone was at gold, they would get their little 25. You would get a commission of $975. Platinum, you would get a roll up of $900. Diamond, you would get a package of, if that person was diamond, you would get a roll up, you as an elite member, of $750. Enterprise, you would get a bonus commission of $500, because I mean, that's just how it works. All right, so I'm gonna show you some proof at the end, but I just didn't want to blur out all my people's stuff. That's just too much work. But I did want to explain that when you decide to come into the system, I'm always telling people, because I get a lot of people from other teams, other programs, and they're like, hey, can you train me? Can you show me what to do? To me, it's important to align yourself with someone who's going to give you a blueprint, okay? Just literally, I give away my secret sauce of the advertising strategies that I've done to keep it simple and to actually just get momentum with this system. So if you want that blueprint, platinum and higher, you'll get access to that blueprint. The other things are when you come in at the elite levels of diamond, enterprise, and elite, you're going to, in addition to that blueprint, you're going to get access to a course called Video Profits, where I show you how to leverage video marketing to be able to generate leads into your business while you go on about your daily life, right? I got a commission today from someone while I was at work today, guys, because I'm back at work. I made a video about that. I got a commission when I was at work today from someone, this is in another system, from a video that I made. And this is what I teach you how to do. Put some videos out there, and it's always working for you. Always working for you. And this person watched a video from something I did a year ago. I don't even promote that program, and then they came into another program, right? So I was like, okay, whatever. So you're going to get access to that, and you're also going to get access to my Video Profits Facebook group, and so that you can learn more about video marketing. And the great thing about videos is, whether you want to show your face or not, there's still ways to make videos so that you can get the information out there. All right, what I want to do right now, I'm actually gonna go over to my $25 one-up back office, and I'm gonna show you the amount of daily payments that have come into my system. So hold on one second. Okay, so I am in my back office right here. This is me, no more 9 to 5. And I'm just going to scroll and just show you the amount of commissions that, you know, again, we're talking about return on investment. This is why this comp plan rocks, right? So, you know, $100 direct commissions, $500 direct commissions, 25 direct commissions, 250, 1,000, 500, 250, 250, 250, 250. Well, let me keep going. 250, 1,000, 500, 250, 250, 250, 250, 250. 25, 100. I mean, I could keep going, and I'm gonna just keep scrolling so you could just keep seeing all of these commissions from a one-time investment. And this right here, you see this right here, this 950, this was a roll-up, right? Some of these are roll-up. This let's see what some of these other roll-ups. This right here was a roll-up. This 250 from someone who wasn't qualified, right? So this is what I'm talking about, that pass up, that leverage that's built into the program, and why positioning is important, okay? But I just wanted to kind of just scroll and just show you this. I mean, if people wonder, does this pay? Yeah, it pays. The return on investment is ridiculous when you just do the things, right? Do the things, right? This system actually shows you what to do and how to do it. I mean, I have not been disappointed with this system. So if you're ready to get started, right? You know, you're like, you know what? It's time for me to position myself. It's time for me to get in there and learn the things. Shen, I want your blueprint. Shen, I'm ready to actually do the darn thing, right? Message me, right? Position yourself. Let's get started today. Let's get you set up, right? And that's it. Subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Bye.